August 29th, 2019. Am I recording here? Yeah, I'm recording. Kind of hard to see. I got my bee suit on. Make sure we get the camera set right so we can see things. And I better get this other glove on here. But there's a hive beetle right there. We're gonna smush him. I got into the hive today because I saw a lot of beard action the other day, and I had a full frame here. I got a full frame here, I'm pretty sure. I haven't pulled that out, but I'm sure this half a frame is full. Let me see if I can get my window screen. Now this one's number 3 here. And this one are pretty full. See if I can get a little better shot down in there. They are really busy. That one's not full and capped. It's about I would say a little bit more than half coned out, and they're filling and working on that one. But so I still don't even have 2 full frames. I want to get 2 full frames in here. Maybe another one. Well, if they're going to do what they're going to do. They're not getting the frames full. They're not getting them full. But I want to get 1 and 2 full before I order my spinner and start thinking about spinning anything out. And this other frame, which is an extra frame that I put on. They're making a little bridge down there, look at that. But this one is about 3/4 full, and half of the cones are all there. I got a little bit of burr comb over there in the corner, it looks like. A little bit in the middle here too, but not too bad. These guys do a lot worse than that. They go. So, but everything looks pretty good. There's a couple hive beetles around. They've been penning them up pretty good. I got 3 beetle blaster traps here in the top. Those are working good. I also have the my smoker's going out. I also have some of the CD case, jewel case traps that I stick on the lid on the inside, and you can see they pen things up on there. They make little tracks, and they get trapped in there. The hive beetles can't get back out, and they die. And you can see where they've built up rows of propolis around where the beetle blasters are. So what they do is they'll corral them into the area. Then they can't get out. They've only got one way to go, back into the beetle blasters. And so that's where that's at. And so yeah, we got a tripod. Let's try that. Let's try our tripod. And hopefully I got enough storage cleared up on my phone that I can actually... There, you get a little bit better shot of that, maybe, perhaps. And they got a little tunnel going in right there. They got a little hole in their. They got a little tunnel burr comb in there. It's kind of weird. I don't know what they got going on in there. It's like a double thick comb there too. But that's pretty good. This side they don't have very much on at all, but they are starting on it. A little spot in the middle there. You can actually see nectar in there. They're actually filling that up already. I'm going to set that down very gently so I don't crush anybody. They're pretty calm today. It's pretty hot and sweaty out here. Oh great, now I got sweat on my glasses. squeeze. All I need to do is get stung. Come here. Alright, that's a little better. But yeah, I got one fairly full spread. Now this one's got at least half of a frame full. This one's got about a quarter full on that side a little. Doesn't look like they're not doing a very full even job, but they're doing pretty good on that one. So I guess between 3 frames I have 2 full ones, which according to what I've seen online in my calculations should be about a gallon or more of honey. Come on, you guys, get out of there. I want to get these frames kind of close together. I got to get them back in the same spot so everything lines up. I saw one beetle, and it was going into a comb that they should have been filling. But they'll take care of one beetle. It's when you get a whole bunch of them in there. So anyways, that's a look inside my hive here. I'll pull this frame out. I had this one out already. We'll take a look at that. See, they're not doing a whole lot of work on that. This was a little piece of burr comb that was stuck in there. So I pulled it off where it was hanging down from the lid, and I stuck this frame in and put it on there. They're kind of building around it a little bit. Not doing a very fantastic job. But the next frame over here, if I can grab my tripod and get a shot, this frame in here's got quite a bit of activity on it. They're spreading that out. It's only, maybe, like I said, a quarter or less, but they're working on it. Set the camera back over here. So that's about it for today, I guess. Throw this frame back in here ever so gently. Oops, what's going on here? Oops, we didn't like that. What am I doing? Get out of the way, guys. And my smoker quit on me. There we go. Got a little piece of here, close there. And so that's about it. I just gotta clean off this lid and close this up. Alright, fired up the smoker. See if we can get a few minutes of video today. Alright, I gotta chase all these guys off of here. Come on, guys. Get going. Come on. Shoot. Shoot. Alright, got most of those out of there. Whoops. A couple guys got smashed down there a little bit. Alright, here's the inside of my lid. And you can see the little channels around there where they corral the beetles. There's one. Get that guy out of there. Shake those off of there. Get a better look. That's nice. Alright, now we got everybody off the top here pretty good. Whoa. Gotcha, you bastard. I can't get every beetle, but the ones I do see, I try to get them. Get out of here. Get. Alright, I gotta get most of them out of the way here. When I close this lid down so I don't smash anybody. And then this is a piece of vinyl mesh grow bag screen, and they blocked that all off, so I try to clear some of that out so they can get a little ventilation in there. They'll fill it right back up, but there. That'll help some of that smoke get out of there. Alright, then I put a couple of these jewel traps in the top there. They got the boric acid and coconut oil on them. And then cover that up like that and it's done. Cut. Can I take my glove off? Cut.